Okay? So Ray can go. If he can go, he can go. We're going to use him sparingly. Try to save him for the playoff and the championship game. We'll test you out a little bit, all right? But we'll try to save him for the game. Kevin, Maurice, Will, Balkeem, all the other guards got to step up. You're going to have to help bring the ball up the court. If they double team on Kenny or they box in one on Kenny, Kenny's not going to be bringing the ball up the court. He's going to be running down to the corner, down across the baseline. We're going to have two guys down there. If they're in a box, we're going to have him run off, use their own players as screens, and run right by them. Go from one corner to the other to get you the ball. 1, 2, 3. Sunbear!
이름은 영이지 화나면 불이나 웬만하면 call me G I got the dirty vibe You ain't certified You got the funny vibe 내가 세상에는 별로나 money나 Get a dollar pay We gon' celebrate Every day 나를 따라 hey Get a dollar pay Get a dollar pay The dollar pay Dirty vibe Jump on that Jump on that Jump on that Jump on that Jump on that, jump on that, jump on that.
Talk about a game.
What game?
Jump on that, jump on that, jump on that.